Today's recipe will help you boost your immunity, solve bloating, massive full body belly fat weight loss. It's also best if you can combine simple exercises and eat healthy as well as rest and sleep well. This recipe can power your joystick, especially for men. At the same time, fight cancer, high blood pressure issues, and cleanses your liver whilst revealing a radiant, brighter skin. Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you a hot, super effective drink. Let's get right into it. This recipe, you will need pineapple. You can use 1 or 2 pineapples. Lest I forget, before you peel your pineapples, please make sure that you have washed it thoroughly, okay? I'm going to transfer all the skin inside the pot there. And this is the pineapple stalk. I'm going to set this aside until later. Over here I have a combination of lemons and lime. 5 lemons and also 2 limes. And feel free to alternate the quantity according to your own choice and preference. What I'm going to do now is to open up all the limes and lemon and squeeze out their juices. At the same time, transfer the skin to the pot. Alright, so I'm going ahead to set this aside and then we go over to the next step. Right now I'm going to introduce the ginger to you. The quantity of ginger you use for this recipe depends on how much heat you can withstand. Slice them into little chunks. Because I'll be boiling the ginger, set this one here aside. I won't be boiling that one there. I have a full pot of water here, and inside here is the skins of the lemon and the lime. At the same time, the pineapples. Throw in the gingers. Turn my heat now to the very highest, and once the mixture begins to boil, I will reduce it to medium settings. I'm going to cook this here for exactly 1 good hour, a minimum of 30 good minutes. This step is very important. This way you're going to get all the full nutrients from the pineapples, lemons, and also the lime. Right, my beautiful people, so while the pineapple lemon mixture is over there cooking, I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. Here I have 3 grapes. Grapes are super powerful for weight loss management. It's packed with a lot of vitamin C. I've divided the grapes into segments. I'm going ahead now to extract the juices. So I'm going to leave it there to continue to boil until everything is completely ready. Alright, so I'm done with the extraction of the grapefruit. So I'm going to pour it inside here. Over to the next item, I'll be introducing some oranges. I have about 7 pieces of orange here. I'm going to bring a refreshing sweetness to this recipe. The combination of pineapples, oranges, and all the vitamin C packed items I have introduced is going to do wonders in your belly fat. Open up all the oranges, just like what we did before, and just extract the liquid. But what I'm going to do now is to throw in some of these orange peels inside the pot. I've placed my blender. Into the blender, I'll drop in the leftover ginger I set aside earlier on. Just half cup of water. I'll be dropping in the pineapples. I'm going to bring this into a smooth blend. Now to blend it together. Pot has been boiling here now for almost 45 minutes. To remove all the ginger and also add to the one I have in the blender and blend it all up. For the last item here, I have some cloves, 2 tablespoons of cloves. I'm going to pour it right into the pot and allow it to simmer here for 10 minutes. So just give the cloves the opportunity to infuse its taste, aroma, and whatever inside this water. And then we are going ahead to sieve this. You can actually combine this one and this one here together. I don't want us to eliminate the good fiber in this recipe. That is why I'm going to retain it. Over here, you will notice that the tea is now ready. You're going to set this aside. So this one here is best taken when it is hot. Going ahead to sieve it. My goodness, friends, this thing here smells so nice. This hot tea, it smells really good. Let me remind you that you can also cook this mixture a second time and extract more water from it. Okay, my beloved friends, this is the outcome of the entire recipe. Everything now is ready. Don't joke with this tea. Oh my goodness. Tastes so nice. Not too bitter. Take this when it is hot. Serve it with a sweetener. It is best for you to take this one here at night, right? Before you go to bed. Take this before you go to bed. And also in the morning when you wake up, take this in the morning. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, last thing at night on an empty stomach. And please make sure you have your dinner as early as possible. Don't eat when it is too late. So during the day, you're supposed to drink these ones here. Before you eat any food, just take this. Or you can as well combine it with this one when this one is cold and then drink it. But I prefer you take this when it is super hot. This is a hot tea. It tastes so nice. It's not bitter. It's very flavorful. You can customize all ingredients to your own preference and choice. Anybody can take it. Adults, children, young ones. If you're a man and you have problem with your joystick, this thing here is powerful. This tea here is powerful. It can eliminate toxins and also detoxify your system, boost your immunity, and help you look super beautiful. Same time, if you have problems with your liver, high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, trust me, try this. Kidney problems in here can help to, cleanse you. Trust me on that. It's super powerful. It's an all-weather drink, all-weather tea. So some of you will come and write in the comment section, hey, my grandmother used to make it for us when we used to have catarrh and cough. Yes, so you can take it when you're having catarrh, cough, or any kind of cold. Yes, even to prevent any kind of infection. Right now we are having global crisis internationally, so this is very good for you to boost your immunity and look so beautiful. At the same time, it can also help with your complexion. If you're having pigmentation issues, problems, it's going to help with your skin tone. You look beautiful and super radiant. Guys, that is the end of today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you have this thing here twice daily. I'm going to put this small portion here and I'll cool down completely. Then I'll show you how to mix it. Okay. I'll show you how to combine everything together. So this is in case you want to drink it cold. Then you add this one to it. Quantity you add is your own choice. You just combine the 3 teas together and you drink it. This is in case you want to have it cold and not hot. If you want to just drink the tea hot, that means you should be having this very early in the morning and late night before you go to bed. And this ones here, you can drink it just within the afternoon or before your meals. You can just take this. We have come to the end of today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. So this is very simple to put together, and that is how the cup is looking like. Okay guys, so here we have come to the end of today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Try this before every of your meals and see how effective it is. It's strong and powerful and highly effective. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. Remember to share my video with your friends and loved ones so that I come your way next time. Stay blessed, stay happy, and keep losing that gorgeous weight. God bless you.